Welcome my hopping bunnies, and today we have this Play-Doh breakfast set. Let's have a look at the box right now. On the side we have all the stuff that comes with it. Now let's have a look at this back. And here it has all the stuff that you can make and these cool cards that maybe come with it. Now let's open it. Let's have a look what's inside. Wow, look at all the stuff that we got. We have this little cute syrup pot. It's usually for icing because of all the molds, but it kind of looks like a syrup one. And on the back, here's some cards. Now let's see what else is in this cool box. Wow! Look at our molds. And we got some Play-Doh too. How cool! And let's see what else. Oh, we don't have anything else. But the other thing in here is not important. Now let's have a look at what we have. Our Play-Dohs out, let's open the rest. We have some cards. And we have our syrup and icing maker. And then we have 2 plates. That's so cool. It's another mold. And then let's see what type of molds on here. Here's the plate and here's the mold. We have a circle cutter. And we have our tongs. And a knife, a triangle cutter, and a roller. Now I'm going to show you my waffle maker. Let's have a look. Here we have a strawberry, and this looks like a kiwi, and some cherry. Now let's have a look inside. We have some fruits here and some fruits here. So then when you put it down, it will go into a shape of a fruit on both sides. Now let's have a look on the other side of it. Wow, we have some toast. And this one looks like a Happy's toast. It has a really cute face. And then this looks like a pancake. And let's see if there's anything on the bottom. Wow, this looks like a diamond cracker. And then a circle cracker. Now that you've seen everything, let's start cooking. I'm going to make a waffle, and to do that, I'll need some yellow. What is going to be done? Oh, never mind. Okay, let's take some Play-Doh, a good amount, and then our waffle maker, and put the Play-Doh in. I think I'm going to make a circle waffle. like a real waffle. Like icing, and it looks so good. There's the waffle. And now that we've done that, let's make the rest of the stuff, like the blueberries. There we go. It's time to make the sausage, but I need to change the plates. So we're just gonna carefully take this and pop it on the purple one with the blueberries. And here's the sausage and some turkey slice. Now we're gonna take a little bit of bread. There we go. And here we've got our sausage. But now we're going to need to cut around it so all that extra dough doesn't get in the way. Doesn't this look so yummy and cute? Now, let's see what else we need to make. Now that we made our first breakfast, let's put it aside and make another breakfast. I think we should make some toast. Some breakfast. There we go. Just need a little bit more. There we go. The back of the bread and then the front. And now let's just cut around it. Now let's make some butter with our butter mold up here. And to do that, we'll need some more yellow. Now let's put it on this lovely toast. And we're just going to take all this stuff down here and we can use it around it like we did with the bread. And then after we make our butter, we can make some turkey slice. Some people say it's bacon, but they're actually two different things. And we're going to make one more butter with the left laid on. And it looks yummy too. There we go. And now let's make our turkey slice, or bacon. And we're going to use two different colors, some white and some red. Bread back on and put our turkey slice here. Now let's make some cheese, and we're gonna need to roll it out. And here's our rolling pin, and then we need to get a little bit of yellow. Take our knife to get the cheese out. There we go. We're just going to need a little bit and put the rest back in. And just put that aside because we won't need it. And then put that there. Okay, to make our cheese. Wow, look at this beautiful food. It's so cute. Oh no, I forgot to put some syrup on my waffle. Ah, that looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. Thank you for watching. Come back soon. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And have fun.